here at the RTR Lab. Celebration for Chelsea Denofa, #1 homie. And we have brought the crazy carts. We're gonna shred them with all the lucky guests that we have here today. Just have a great time.
We got this track set up. Woo! We're here, we're cold. Someone's gonna ride the carts. All right, we're gonna go check out.
Do the door opening up here.
How's the merch sales going?
Hey, merch is fantastic. How are you, sir?
Good. Great event, dude. Thank you guys for having us out.
I mean, it's great to have everybody here. It's wild. Like some of
This
my
your
best.
first open house?
Dude, this is the first time Jared's been here, and I've known Jared for 20-some years. Like my best friend Mike, he's first time here. You know, like it's just great to show everyone, you know, where the magic happens.
Like swimwear, son.
Let's go!
Oh, they're all pretty in it. Oh my God. Mustang drivers are.
I mean, are they all Mustang drivers? Well,
Woo! What's up? Taxi Garage Beeps. Oh yeah, thank you guys for coming out. Look at all these smiles on faces, baby.
smiles for miles.
That's it, dude.
That's what crazy carts do. Look at Ben, he's not even here 2 minutes.
I'm already smiling.
Ear to ear.
Going deep. Oh, with the pass.
How was it?
Really good. That was a blast. Made a lot of sense to start doing it a little bit more. It's a lot of fun just to kind of huck it in there, especially this outside bank that you guys have. You're more comfortable every time. That was a lot of fun. Thanks for letting me try it out.
I was bullied a little bit through there. That part's extra fun.
It's just like drifting in real life, yeah.
Right? Put up the gas. There you go.
You were killing it again. Smooth. What'd you think?
It was great.
What'd you think?
Bro, that was awesome, bro. Awesome, baby.
Looking good.
Good job, buddy. Good
Just
job.
park her
What'd you
there.
think?
I'll
What'd
get
you
it
think?
charged up.
Good job. Good job.
It's a great
Good
time.
time.
All the smiles. I love it.
Oh my.
Thank you very much.
That was a great video. Yeah, and emotional a little bit. I'm a little bit stoked for Chelsea. Like beyond stoked for the whole team. Stoked to be here and like experience it live in the fucking RTR Lab too. It's pretty epic. It was cool. Like as soon as the lights came back on, I was like, yo, look at where we're at. Like it just hits you again. It's pretty amazing.
523091. Where is he at? Boom, you are the lucky winner in the front right center.
528-010. 528-010.
528-010, my man from the back. Oh, he's got a Chelsea shirt on. I don't think you're just standing there with your hands in your pockets.
Last one of this plug, so it's the last of this design. And it's going to go to 523074.
074.
Is that a niner in there?
Hey, right there.
The move.
Even in heels, I love it. I heard you're gonna get a crazy cart.
Huh?
I heard you're gonna get a crazy cart.
I would love to, but I feel like now, I just feel like I don't know how to drift as good as I thought I did, just because the real car is not the same. So
It's close, yeah. It's definitely
same sensation, just a little different input.
There you go. You're getting lapped.
Just go a little slow. There you go. No, I'm just gonna get my own. It's right here. I own this one.
Whoa! They look like they've been getting used. There's some dirt on them.
One of my.
Now we're talking.
Just smiles and laughter. You already know. The whole damn time. This is a good idea, or
Oh my god! Dude!
drag and like use the drag of the front wheel as a brake. But with this setup, you can like brake and pivot like on demand. I can rotate the car completely backwards, like without momentum, like on the brake. You know? So it makes it a lot more like controllable. First time, already ready to send it through the whole fucking shop. What a G. What a G. First time, he's like, no, I'm gonna destroy shit. And then he's ripping.
The brake is nice.
Come on, champ.
Between both of them, 2 and 3.
Buzz.
The brake works.
Oh, there we go.
That's like me and Arwen then.
What'd you do?
There's a doornail going to get the backup.
What do you mean? It's perfect size.
Yeah, the hip hop. The rest of my knees. Yeah, go to that farm and RTR going.
Hey, notice how all us are like, nah, because it's right near here.
Yeah.
That's right. We're all like.
This track is super smooth though.
It was great. That was a blast. Dean, you're still ridiculously good at tandeming on this.
Yeah, it's been fun.
You're so good at modulating like your distance because you just keep it the same.
Yeah.
Like there's a couple times I'm like in and out, and I'm really experienced at riding, but I was watching your throttle and I noticed you're not staying full throttle. You're limited.
Yeah,
right?
yeah, balancing it.
Yeah, exactly. Your throttle.
But there was a
control's
few times there where I clip you in a transition, you were clipping me in the same transition, and I was feeling the double clip, and it was like, that's sick.
One thing bad about these being tall, is
Yeah.
whenever you clip somebody,
Your knees and your your toe.
yeah.
You have to like roll your toe in
Earlier
in order
today,
not to get clipped.
I was on somebody's door and we went too close to the inner out here.
I didn't realize you were out there, I would have fucking joined you.
Yeah, I think it was.
He knows. Anytime we have our shit here, he's like, bro, we're the boys now. Let's get rowdy.
Here, I'm meander to them, bro.
Yeah.
100% every time. Yeah. They know I love these things. Going mad through here, and I ran over that big old piece of metal with these nice quality made taxi
that one's
garage
still too tight
rear
on you?
wheels. So durability,
6'6"
quality on
probably.
point.